This is the very cheap EQUATECH social media LED ring light. Now, this particular ring light / phone holder, well, it cost as little as £8. That's around 10 in US dollars from the home bargain store, which is situated here within the UK. As you can see, it does come with 120 LED non-replaceable bulbs. It is corded, USB powered, and because this particular light is at such a low price, will this EQUATECH light indeed be any good for, say, Instagram or your YouTube videos? Well, let's find out. Let's look inside the box. Okay, everything comes fairly protected. We do have an assemble sheet, that's always good to have. A small 3-legged tripod, a phone holder which has a ball joint gooseneck, short extension pole included. The phone holder itself is spring adjusted, which can certainly fit larger size phones. We also have that phone stand mount, and moving back to that 10-inch ring light, it comes with a lengthy 2-meter USB cable that has that corded control unit. No, you can't open this particular light up like others. Like I mentioned, it does have 120 LED bulbs, but I must say, it doesn't feel very sturdy or robust, to be honest. Let's attach the tripod, and before we attach the phone holder, let's quickly have a look at those controls again, which do consist of the power on, power off button, with a 3 colour temperature mode button, with the 3 settings being warm white, white, and bright white. We do have 10 levels of brightness included, with the up and down brightness control buttons. Let's go ahead and add that phone holder, and you know what? I thought it might have tipped over after adding this S10 Plus, but it's surprisingly sturdy, although the tripod, well, it does collapse after being under a bit of weight. So no, you don't really have much of a choice when it comes to height control, especially with this tripod. And listen, before we even start to compare a much bigger space-hugging studio light that may cost upwards of £50 plus, I'll already state that for super glowing brightness, well, this EQUATECH will definitely not come close to that compared brightness that you would get with more expensive ring lights. If you are, however, looking for a more intimate, softer look for those selfies, for example, or for your pictures or videos on TikTok, Instagram or YouTube, then this EQUATECH will add good sufficient lighting to your face. So for example, if you're doing makeup tutorials like Julia here, yep, subscribe to her, at Makeup in Time with Julia, yeah, you will get an adequate glow. But bear in mind that you will get a lot of shadow casting behind. So yes, again, you will definitely need more lighting to block out them shadows on a backdrop or on a wall that's behind you. Again, as you can see, I will switch on the larger ring light. And yes, the wall is now super bright and everything looks very well illuminated. My advice is that if you're using this EQUATECH ring light as your standalone light, it's not exactly going to be a professional look. But what I will say is combined with either backdrop lighting or that bigger mentioned Neewer ring light, well combined, it will allow you more of an in-depth focused look within your videos, making your face and your surroundings look more crisp. And in addition, when it comes to those 10 brightness settings upon the EQUATECH ring light control, well, I do think those settings are a bit of a waste of time, to be honest, as you will certainly need to set this light to its full brightness to make the most out of the light. I mean, look, overall, for such a low price, and it being from a bargain store here within the UK, you won't expect to be setting up a professional studio with these kind of products. But it certainly won't harm having a little extra light. For example, within my own studio tech review videos, I do use 3 professional LED Neewer tripod light panels that do supply me with fantastic lighting. But sometimes, I admit, I do pull out a ring light just like this one for up close focused pan shots, or for products I'm reviewing that just need an added bit of quality and clarity. I will be giving this EQUATECH ring light a 6 out of 10. I would have gave it a higher score if the tripod was a bit more sturdy and if it wouldn't collapse under pressure so easily, even with such a low weight load. But that's it really, a simple review of a very cheap budget ring light, but does have its uses. I will leave a link for this in the video description down below, but you're more or less going to find it within the store itself, being home bargains. Now, if you're in that video description, please go ahead while you're there. Please smash that like button, subscribe to this channel today, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys can stay updated on all my new uploads. So yes, we do like to do different kinds of reviews here on this channel on big and small products. And if you'd like to see the next review, make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and well, peace!